Hello folks, welcome to this video. This beautiful BMW R1250GS Rally TE. Well, this is a factory lowered version, so lower suspension on the rear from the factory. We have measured the seat height and it comes out at 850 millimeters. However, there's a custom comfort seat fitted there. And you can buy the lower rider's seat, which means it will take a lot more out getting it closer to that sort of 800 mil seat height. Anyway, this machine is a 2019. It has covered 5,114 miles. Very, very low mileage for a GS. And as you can see, it is fully kitted out. Now these aren't the BMW panniers, they are rugged alloy Wunderlich panniers. Very, very good quality, very well engineered, not cheap, and a real bonus, if you say so, over the sort of factory BMW option. Of course, being the Adventure, you got the upper and lower bars, a 30-litre tank. Slightly taller suspension over the standard machine, however it is obviously the factory low. This one's got the headlight guard, nice GS engraved in there. Of course the spot lamps, deflector for the center stand, and yes, BMW sat nav. So that will work through the scroll wheel, so whilst you're on the fly you can fiddle about if you dare. And you've got the white hand guards with the wind deflectors added. So yes, a very well spec'd, lovely example rally colour scheme, HP of the time. Fantastic colour scheme. Well, the condition, beautiful. Lovely racing blue metallic, all unmarked up the front here. The bike all round is in very, very good condition indeed. No tarnishing or corrosion to the fittings and fasteners. You can see those spokes, those wheel rims, all in very good order. Common area to suffer on the BMWs is that front engine cover. Now, this one is in very, very good order. Original factory finish. No bubbling, no blistering, always nice to see. Those exhaust downpipes, lovely and shiny. You've got a bit of bluing to them, but none of that horrible surface corrosion you can get. So, no marks to the crash bars, cylinder head covers or rocker covers, all in good order. Nice and clean around the frame, and the nooks and crannies. That rear shock, you can just about see it there, all nice and clean. The exhaust is in good order. There's no marks or any damage to that. Now, that pannier, very good condition as you can see. There are some minor marks to the top of it. I suppose that's probably done in storage, possibly, but nothing to fret over. Now, if we open these up, I like that. Nice little storage area right at the top of the case, utilising the space very, very well. These are fixed on with the adjusters. Okay, so you do have to manually remove them, but as I said to you, very, very rugged. This bike comes on comes with a cherished number plate, W90MCH. I believe that was initials of the previous owner. He has decided to leave it on the bike, so it'll be yours if you buy the bike. Top case, very good order. Pannier on the left side, once again, really, really good. None of that markings really. There are some very light minor ones, but nothing like the other side. And that final drive housing, it's another area that suffers from corrosion on these. This one's very, very good. No blistering. Another shot of the rear shock. Nooks and crannies. Of course, you've got shift assist on these, plus much, much more. No marks or any damage to the crash bars this side. There's a little bit of like staining to these side covers, same on the other side. I think a bit of elbow grease might take it away, but I just wanted to make you aware, just in case you decide to buy this bike unseen. Wheels, all very good. Front of that engine again, super duper. Again, the paintwork is very, very good on this bike. No obvious or sinister marks to note. Got those comfort custom seats, looks very smart. No rips or tears to these either. And over the top, sensible tank protector. Keyless ride on these, of course. You can see that, yeah. Nice little storage compartment. Controls, all lovely jubbly. Cockpit, super duper clean. Heated grips. I'm going to go and start this up very quickly and let you guys have a listen. Well, if that's of interest, please do let us know. The telephone number is 01202 479 125. You can email me, paul@motorbiking.co.uk. If you've got a part exchange, do let us know. We'll certainly consider it. We also offer finance. Please visit our website for a finance calculator. Very useful tool, but of course you're welcome to give us a call and discuss your options. Well, I hope that video has helped, and thank you for watching.